Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Fun Science Demos. We are back with another science scavenger. Today, I have a special friend. This is my dog, Sawyer. Say hi. Say hi. Now, the one thing Sawyer absolutely loves is he loves to get brushed. And that's going to be our scavenger hunt for the day. So after only a few strokes of the brush, I was able to pull off this huge wad of hair. And the question is that normal for that much hair to come off of the dog? That's your scavenger hunt for the day. Is it normal for dogs to shed or lose this much hair? And if it is normal, why do dogs shed their hair? Hop online and see if you can do some research to find out the answer to that question. As always, once you think you found the answer, don't forget to post that answer in the comments below. Science is so cool, especially when it involves man's best friend. Right, Sawyer?